In this video, we're going to go over 5 of the most important tips for taking care of finches, so you'll know exactly how to keep your birds healthy, happy, and full of energy. Hello, friends! Tip number 1. A varied and healthy diet. One of the most important keys to having healthy finches is giving them the right food. Finches need a mix of nutritious seeds like millet, flax, safflower, nigger seeds, and more. In addition to seeds, you should occasionally add fresh fruits and vegetables to their diet. Fruits like apples, pears, and bananas, as well as vegetables like spinach, carrots, and lettuce, are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals that help strengthen their immune system. Alongside their regular diet, you can also use supplements, vitamins, and minerals to support their overall health. Tip number 2. A clean and hygienic environment. Finches are very sensitive, and if their living environment isn't clean, they're more likely to get sick. Try to clean their cage at least once a week, and always make sure their food and water dishes, perches, and accessories are clean. Keeping their environment hygienic not only improves their health, but also keeps your birds active and happy. Tip number 3. Natural light and proper ventilation. Sunlight and fresh air are crucial for finches. They need natural light to produce the vitamin D their bodies require. If you're keeping your birds indoors, make sure they still get proper lighting. For example, daylight lamps that simulate natural sunlight. Also, ensure their environment has good ventilation so your finches always have access to fresh air. Tip number 4. Enough space for activity. Finches are energetic birds that love to move around. They need plenty of space for flying and hopping. If you provide a large enough cage, add perches and branches to encourage movement and natural behavior. This not only prevents stress and depression, but also makes your birds more active and improves their breeding success. Tip number 5. Reduce stress and create a calm environment. Finches are sensitive birds and can be easily stressed in high traffic or noisy areas. Stress can harm their physical health and overall well-being. Place their cage in a quiet, calm spot, away from sudden noises or constant disturbances. A peaceful environment helps your birds feel safe and secure. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more bird care guides. Your feedback is important to us. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. May your nests always be full of chicks. Take care and see you in the next video.